Is your side-by-side refrigerator warm while the freezer still works? Don't panic because the fix might be surprisingly simple today. Most cooling problems involve airflow, dirty components, or failed electrical parts, making diagnosis easier when you understand each system. Ignoring cooling issues can spoil food, increase electricity bills, and force the compressor to work harder than necessary every day. Understanding airflow is essential because cold air starts inside the freezer before traveling into the refrigerator compartment. Start by checking blocked air vents because overloaded shelves prevent cold air from circulating evenly throughout both compartments effectively. A dirty condenser coil traps heat, reducing efficiency because the refrigerator cannot release warmth into the surrounding air properly anymore. Many homeowners restore cooling simply by cleaning coils and improving airflow before replacing expensive parts or scheduling professional service. If temperatures stay warm, listen carefully for the evaporator fan because silent fans usually indicate mechanical or electrical failure. Inspect the door gaskets because damaged seals allow warm air inside, creating frost buildup and unstable cooling performance over time. Heavy frost behind the freezer panel often signals an automatic defrost system problem instead of low refrigerant levels alone. Professional technicians test thermistors, control boards, and compressors using specialized tools before replacing costly components unnecessarily during repairs. Regular coil cleaning, proper airflow, and tightly sealed doors can prevent many common refrigerator failures before they become expensive repairs. Remember the troubleshooting order: airflow, condenser coils, evaporator fan, door seals, then advanced electrical components if problems remain. Following these steps helps identify simple problems early, saving money while keeping food safer and your refrigerator running efficiently longer. If this guide helped, like, subscribe, comment your refrigerator problem, and share this video to help someone save money today.